This is Noelle's turkey in disguise for her pre-K 4-year-old class Thanksgiving art project.
Okay.
Tell me about your turkey in disguise.
Her foot is pink, and she has nail polish, a perfect dress, and pink wings, hearts on her thing, and sparkles on her thing, and a
blue wattle.
blue wattle, sunglasses, blue eyeshadow, crown.
That is beautiful. I like the blue eyeshadow and the crown. Oh, I see brown hair.
Brown hair too.
Those pink sunglasses are fantastic.
I did it.
They are fantastic. I think her dress, her ballerina dress, is magnificent.
It sparkles too.
It is sparkly. And look at that blue nail polish. Look at that. It is beautiful. Now, do you love it?
Yeah.
All righty. Congratulations on putting your turkey in disguise.